Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make curry powder at home. First, you have to prepare all the ingredients that you need to make a curry powder. Now it's time to roast all the ingredients in a low flame. Put all the ingredients one by one and stir it properly. It's cumin, coriander, black pepper, brown mustard, fennel, keep stirring well after every ingredient. Fenugreek, cinnamon stick, cardamom, and cloves. Keep roasting it until it becomes nicely warm. Now it's ready to blend. Put it in a blender and blend it properly. Now it became powder. Wow, it smells so nice. Now put it on a plate and add some chili powder and turmeric powder and mix it properly. Wow, it looks beautiful. Try it at home and make your curry tastier. Enjoy! Please do like, share it with others and consider subscribing to my channel for more food recipe like this. Thank you for watching.